Hello! Today we are going to make a banana bread.
Here are the ingredients to bake a banana bread. 1.5 cups of sugar, half a cup of butter. We need 2 eggs. I went ahead and separated the egg yolks from the egg white. We need 2 ripe bananas. We have to mash the bananas either using our hands or using a fork. This is how it's gonna look like after mashing the bananas. So there's only a little bit of lumps left to it. We also need 4 tablespoons of sour milk. I combined 4 tablespoons of just regular milk and 1 teaspoon of vinegar, and I went ahead and remeasure it into a 4 tablespoons. We also need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and lastly we need 1.5 cups of flour. Now let's combine our ingredients. First, I'm going to combine my sour milk and the baking powder together. You can use a spoon to mix it. The milk should turn into a little bit lumpy and bubbly. Then we can set this one aside. I want to take my bowl that has a flour and mix. First, put the sugar. You will need a spatula to mix all this together. Now let's add our butter. Once the butter is added, mix it again thoroughly. So now I have butter, sugar, and flour. Next, I'm going to add the mixture of sour milk and baking soda. If you can see, it's bubbly, and then we're gonna have to mix it again. Once our baking soda and sour milk are added, let's mix our ingredients thoroughly. The next one that we're going to add is our banana. So I've added the banana, and our mixture should look a little buttery. And then I'm just going to mix this one again. After that, we're going to add our eggs. I added the eggs, the egg yolks, and I'm just mixing this one up. Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Our vanilla extract is added. I'm going to mix it again. The last one that we're gonna add is our egg whites. With the egg whites, you don't have to mix it all like the usual mixing that you do. What you can do is you have to fold the ingredients with the egg whites. So just scrape it on the side and fold it. Scrape on the side and fold. Like a scooping motion, and then you fold. When you're done mixing, it's now ready to be put on a bread pan. After all the ingredients has been mixed together, I went ahead and greased my bread pan. I'm gonna go ahead and add my bread mixture on my bread pan. So my banana bread mixture is ready. I went ahead and preheated my oven to 375. So I'm just now gonna put this banana bread inside the oven for approximately around 30 to 45 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and check it and see if it's cooked. Otherwise, I'll go ahead and put it back in the oven and maybe for 5 to 10 more minutes. After 30 minutes, go ahead and take out your banana bread from the oven and see if it's already cooked. You can either use a toothpick or a skewer to check your banana bread. So I'm just gonna use a skewer and I'm gonna stick it, and if you can see, it's still dripping, so I'm gonna put it back for at least 5 or 10 more minutes. After about 10 minutes, I took it out again, and let's take a look if it's already cooked. Looks like it is. So now we're just gonna let this cool down, and then we're going to slice it and share it with everybody. When the bread is cool off, go ahead and slice them into serving sizes and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something from this video tutorial on how to make a banana bread.